Many innovative concepts remain unrealized due to perceived technical barriers or time constraints. However, Lovable AI is bridging that gap by facilitating the transition from concept to functional application, regardless of your technical background. By leveraging advanced AI, Lovable eliminates the need for complex coding or costly development teams. Simply articulate your requirements, and the platform assists in architecting the solution. This tool focuses on efficiency and execution, allowing you to bypass development bottlenecks and bring your vision to market. Growth requires action. We are currently offering a limited-time 50% discount on site-wide plans to help you get started. Please utilize the link in the first comment to secure this rate and begin your development journey today.